Hey Ryan, I'm gonna have you work on SAT math. Um, and the part that I told you was now available is not. So we're gonna just start with the lessons and part of the quiz, and then hopefully it will be fixed at some point this week, and we can do the rest of it. So if you go to Asana, I'm pretty sure you're on this board in the test prep. On the test prep board, sorry, in the first column will be the SAT prep math. And this will be mod 1, module 2, 3, 4, etc. So when you open this, excuse me, sorry. When you open this, you'll number these like sub numbers. So this will be, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and then any like sections of it will be 1.1a, 1.1b, etc. I think you've done that before. And then the other thing is we need to add an M in front because we're going to put all parts of this course together in one. So the reading and writing are there too. So you'll see the reading sections are R already. Okay. In each lesson, there may be more than one instructional section. So the way you can see, or the way you can divide it is you'll see there's two examples after every bit of instruction. So you'll know this is the end of the first part, and that will be the 1.1a, which I already did wrong. So we'll do M 1.1a, and will be this title, Identifying Parts of a Linear Equation. You'll copy that, and you're going to do, if you're on a PC, I think this button works where it says paste as plain text. It doesn't work on a Mac, so you have to type out these keys, which are Command, Option, Shift V. So if I do that in here, it pastes everything without any formatting. So if you paste it the old way, it'll work, but the students can't see it, so we have to do it this way. And then you're going to need to go in and do all the equations, so you'll have to, I'm pretty sure you've done this before, insert three times. Actually, for these, when there's nothing, I don't know why it's spinning, I'm sorry. When there's nothing like this, you can just do that. And then add the comma back. But I'm pretty sure you've done that, right? You can let me know if you haven't and you need more information. And then the other thing is, because that special pasting thing takes all the formatting out, you're going to have to go back in and put this type of stuff. So like the bullet points and if there's any numbering, that kind of stuff. Of course it's going to be difficult. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so that, and then we're going to do all font now, size 14. And the top header is going to be 22 bold. And then the examples, we want to take out the colon and do it like this. So it's 18 bold. Okay. So that's for the lesson. And then the quizzes, this, when you create it, eventually this is going to be, okay, so the settings are all the same. I do want you to put practice of skills from and then the section title. Count toward grade, yes. Work uploader, we're going to do chronological. I think they're all 5 for the most part. If they're 5, you'll do 30 minutes. If they're 10, you'll do 60. I'm so sorry. Passing score is, I guess, let's leave it at 0 for now. It's going to end up being 4, but that's going to trigger the new feature, which doesn't work, so let's leave that for now. And then highest, public, and everything else. No. So when you put the questions in, there's one extra thing on here. So copy the question. correct answer A here, and then he did it like this, the rationale. So this will be the A rationale, B, C, D, and that goes in the second box. So you'll put the answer on top and then the rationale on the bottom. Excuse me. So you're gonna kind of have to look through these. So he did the rationale for the correct one separately, but then the other responses, so this should be for all three, but we don't want to say, no, it's really badly done. I guess just copy it and that'll help me. Actually, no. Okay, sorry. Don't write the other responses. You want to change this to like this response misinterprets, because the student's going to read it, so we want to make sure it makes sense to them. Okay, and then for this one, same thing. So that'll be the rationale for the 3 wrong answers. So you'll just copy it over and over. If it doesn't like refer to the responses or the question, you can just leave it as is. Excuse me. And then I think that is the only thing that's different. So equation edits, and then I will let you know about the review after, but let's just go with the lessons for now. Thank you so much.